Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a social proof badge section using custom shapes in Photoshop. First I open Photoshop and create a medium width canvas. Then I draw pill-shaped custom shapes for review badges. Now I place star custom shapes inside each badge. After that I add short review text next to stars. Next I duplicate badges to form a row. Now I keep spacing equal for clean alignment. Then I slightly change colors for variation. After that I add soft shadows under badges. Now the badges feel floating and visible. Then I zoom out to check clarity. After that I adjust font size for balance. Now trust signals are clear. Finally I polish shape edges. This section now boosts credibility.